Hi friends, today I will be showing you how to make a strawberry ice cream video in Canva. First go to the Create button, then click on the video option, and then click on Video Landscape. Now go to the Elements section. Now search for strawberry ice cream. Found strawberry. Graphics doesn't have much realistic pictures. For realistic pictures, go to Photos. I will take this ice cream image. Remove the background. If you do not have the Pro version of Canva, you cannot remove the background. Or you can try the 30-day free trial in Canva. Now crop the image. Put the ice cream down a little. Now search for pink background. This one looks good. Left click and set image as background. Go to text. Write A in the font bar. Choose this font. Make the font size big and write strawberry. Okay, done. Adjust the size of the text. Left-click and duplicate the text. Select the text and go to Effects. Select Hollow and adjust the number. Make the number between 50 to 100. Now go to Position. Go to Layers. Copy this pattern, make the hollow text up, next in the middle the ice cream, and at the last the text. Put the hollow text over the normal written text. Now go to Elements and search strawberry. Select some strawberries and put it all around the ice cream. You can speed the video if you want. Rotate and adjust the strawberries. Oh, sorry, I forgot. We do not need a new page. We have to duplicate this one. Left-click and duplicate page. Now we have two same pages. Go to page 1. Make all of the strawberries small and put them in the ice cream. After that, go to Positions, then Layers, then put all the strawberries under the ice cream. Just like this. Take this text and write new flavor. Tap on the B and then change the text color to white. Adjust the text. Copy the new flavor text, then go to page 2, paste the text and adjust the place. Go to page 1, then make the new flavor text small, then put it in the ice cream and go to Position. Get the new flavor text to go under the ice cream. Now the final step. Go to the three dots on page 1 and select the option Add Transition. Select the Match and Move transition. Now your video is 100% completed. You can click Ctrl-Alt-P for full screen. And there you have it, your ice cream video. To save your video, close the Canva editing tab. Canva will automatically save your video or presentation. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel.